Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you guys are new, welcome to the channel. If you guys read the title of this video, you guys will probably already know what it's going to be about. So yesterday, this channel hit the milestone of 100 subscribers. So I know 100 subscribers isn't that much, but putting it into perspective, the way I see it is that 100 of you guys are entrusting me with providing you guys entertainment and also information on cars. And with that being said, I just want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. You know, I really appreciate the support you guys are giving me. And you know, maybe a year or 2 or 3 years from now, I will always remember you guys as the first 100 subscribers, and it's gonna be pretty awesome if this channel does get that big. Now, I know a lot of you guys don't comment down below, but for those that do, I just want to say that I really appreciate every single comment. I do read every single comment, or at least the few I get. And a lot of those comments that you guys are providing, it's motivating me to do more research on filming, to invest in better quality, learn better techniques, just so I can provide better film quality for you guys. So yeah, I just want to let you guys know that I really do appreciate those comments, whether it's negative, whether it's positive. At the end of the day, it does lead to me being a better filmmaker. With all that being said, I did want to move forward and discuss more about the future of this channel. So a lot of you guys might already know by simply looking at my videos, but a majority of my view counts or subscriber counts do come from the Subaru Forester XT videos. A lot of my other videos, including the 86, the 986, the Z, the 50, they're not as popular, which is really surprising because for a lot of those channels I do a lot more interesting stuff, including tracking, autocrossing, a lot more racing. So I'm just really surprised, but you know, that's completely fine. I do love the Forester as well. I do completely understand why the Forester videos are a bit more captivating, especially when compared to something that's been overdone like the 86 and the Mustang and just the Z. So moving forward with that, I am planning on changing the release schedules for this channel. So every Wednesday, I'm going to be trying to release Forester related videos, and on Sunday I will be attempting to release other miscellaneous videos, including the 86, 986, S550 with the Z. And that way I'm hoping just to be able to provide a little bit more spice and variety in this channel. But I do know for sure that the main traffic on this channel is mainly going to the XT build. And last but not least, with the XT slowly coming to an end in terms of exterior mods, I will be planning on going soft-roading or off-roading or camping a bit more, and then being able to film that lifestyle for you guys. I'm super excited for that, but let me know what you guys think, especially the XT people. I know a lot of you guys probably want to see the XT doing more of those stuff, so I am planning that. Now, I don't know how I'm gonna fit that into the schedule, but let's say a month or two down the road and those videos are getting a lot more views, then I'll probably start putting that into the release schedule, maybe get 3 videos out a week. We'll see how my time management goes, but bringing it back in summer, every Wednesday will be the Forester videos and every Sunday will be the other projects. And I believe that's all I needed to say for this video. Once again, I just want to thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. It's definitely been a blast. I've had so much fun, and moving forward in the future too, I definitely want to learn a lot more about filmmaking and make a lot better quality for you guys. Okay, so the next goal for this channel, let's go for 500 subscribers. If we can get 500 subscribers, that would be awesome. So that'll be my next milestone, and I'll make another video around then as well. That does pretty much conclude this video, and as with every single other video on this channel. If you guys want to see what happens next to the XT, the 86, the 986, the Z, or the 50, please feel free to like and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Oh, yeah!
Before I forget, I am planning on doing a 100 subscriber special, so definitely keep an eye out for that.